Bam! Hi everyone, I'm Kai. If I look a little confused, it's because I just woke up from a 5-year nap.
Hello? It's 2026? I slept for 5 years?
My phone. It's broken. And what is that?
Coffee, please. I have cash.
Wait, are those cars in the sky? They are in a different world. The ride is different. Can you, Matza, make a pizza?
Wait. You understand me? Pizza? Life in 2026 is actually okay.
Wait for me. The sign says it stops. Here?
I am lost. Can you help me?
Is that moving? Hello? Little green guy?
Oh! It is out!
Come back! Don't go up!
Wait, what is this place? It looks like an old computer? Wait, is that my old profile? You were lost too. Let's go home, Glitch.